Hi guys, my name is Henry from GI Technologies. We are inside Kumasi, specifically Mampongteng. And here we did our video intercom system. Now our integrated video intercom system allows the client to receive his guests locally on the indoor units, as you can see, and then remotely on his phone. The client is not in Ghana, he's in US. He will be able to operate his main entrance gate, whether it's in Ghana using the remote or the indoor units, or he can use his phone to operate his gate wherever he is in the world. Now we give the client has two entrances, one here, I will show you the other one, and then we put our indoor units, one at the main house and then one at the top floor, the family area of the top floor. So I'm going to show you the system. It's an integrated system, and it allows the clients to do a lot of wonderful stuff, whether it's home or away. I'm going to press on the doorbell and show you the rest. So this gate number 1, and it's ringing inside. Let me show you the gate number 2. So this is gate number 2. Gate number 2, the client has this intercom here. So the client fixed 2 gate motors, gate number 1 and then 2 here. And he can open any of the gate motors wherever he is in the world. So I'm going to press here again, and then I can receive down there and then upstairs. I'm going to show you both the screen downstairs and upstairs. Let's go. Yeah, so as you can see, the gentleman is outside there. I'm going to receive, I can open any of the gates here. Let me answer the call. Yeah, Chairman, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so this one you can actually increase the volume here, and then you can also decrease the volume. You can open any of the gates here, whether you want to open it here or up, okay? So let's go to the top floor, and then I'll demonstrate how that one works. I'm going to open the gate at the top floor, and I'll show you how it is. Let's go to the top floor. Indoor unit here as well. I'm going to receive him here. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So it's very loud and clear. All right. So I'm going to speak to him. Yeah, Chairman, Ghana.
Yeah, Mampongteng.
Okay, maybe a gate, you know, with the intercom now inside, no. So I'm going to open the gate with the intercom. So the gate is open, you can see. All right, so the client can also close the gates with the indoor unit. So I'm going to do the same thing again. So I press on the padlock here. So you can see